friends, get ready to witness a breathtaking transformation. You don't want to miss how this bride shines on her Mehndi celebration night. I am so obsessed with her final look, but I want you to hear from you. Watch till the end and let me know in the comment, are you as obsessed as I am? Let's get started. Meet my beautiful bride Trish. I started with skin prep by applying Embryolys's moisturizer, a game changer product for dry skin. This product delivers deep hydration and locks in moisturizer, creating the perfect base for makeup. With this product, I don't need to apply any separate primer now. This moisturizer not only nourishes the skin but also provides a smooth priming effect. If you know me, you already know I always start with eye makeup before moving on to face. So starting with eyebrows. For that, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Precise My Brow Pencil, the shade 3.75. I love using this pencil because it gives the precision of a brow pomade but with the ease of a pencil. Seriously, it shapes and defines the brows so effortlessly. Now I'm applying Tarte concealer all over the eyelid to ensure a smooth and even canvas. Also carefully shaping it to match the precise brow structure before blending it seamlessly with a beautiful blender. Lock in the base and prevent creasing. I'm setting it with a light layer of setting powder. Tarte is my favorite because it's full coverage, crease-proof formula and long-lasting wear. This self-setting concealer and its high pigment formula ensures eyeshadow pop and stay vibrant all the day. For a lifted cat eye look, I have placed tape at the corners for a precise and defined finish, and will be using P.Louise Wedding Wish Bridal Eyeshadow Palette to create today's eye look. This palette features a beautiful selection of brownish pinkish nude shades, making it an ideal choice for a sophisticated and elegant bridal look. She has the most stunning, expressive eyes, and this is her second makeup look by me. After loving her previous glam, she completely trusted on me this time and only had one request, a winged cat eye look with a heavy contoured face. She was absolutely adorable throughout the process, enjoying every step with me. Not only did she love the transformation, but she also adored the luxurious products which I used, some of which she already owns, so it was so comfortable for her. Eye look is complete and I have applied false lashes for added charm and definition. Let me know in the comment if you love this eye look. Now moving on to face makeup, starting with color correction. I'm using Tarte concealer, which is 2 shades darker than her skin tone. Since she has minimum discoloration, I'm skipping on the orange corrector and instead using concealer to neutralize and uneven the areas. Applying it only wherever needed and blending it seamlessly with the brush. Moving on to foundation, I have chosen to use cream-based products since our skin leans towards dryness. For this, I'm using the Krylon Bridal Foundation Palette, carefully applying a perfectly matte shade all over her face for a smooth and even look. Due to some technical glitch, a few recordings could not be saved, but here's a quick recap of the missteps. I have used Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Mocha to add depth and dimension to her face, followed by highlighting with Tarte concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than her skin tone, applying it to the T-zone area to brighten and enhance her skin features. Blending starts with the contour, followed by the concealer, and ensuring a seamless and flawless finish. For an extra boost of hydration, I applied Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray, giving the skin a fresh radiant glow. And before that, I've already applied Huda Beauty setting powder to set the base. Now I'm setting the cream contour with Hoola powder bronzer just to add warmth. Next, for a pop of color, I used NARS blusher on the cheeks, followed by the Anastasia Sunkissed highlighting palette for that stunning glow. To lock everything in place and make it long lasting, I finished with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and completed the look with MAC Move lipstick. And there you have it, the final look of my beautiful bride. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more beauty tips, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Love you all. See you in the next one. Ta-da!